A lot of people who try to follow a ketogenic diet end up failing miserably for a lot of reasons, but mostly because they didn't have a solid plan. If you want to lose weight and stay healthy, you need to have a strict guideline to follow. If none of the diets you have tried in the past have worked for you, it's important to learn everything you can about the 28-day Keto Challenge. This diet program can help you lose weight and get in shape effectively. It will guide you through the first month so you can keep eating healthy for the rest of your life. What is the 28-day Keto Challenge? The 28-day Keto Challenge is a step-by-step ketogenic diet guide that features a full meal plan and 7 different guides that will help you get started for the first month. As the name suggests, it provides you with all the information you need for 28 days exactly. There is a very solid and specific structure to this diet that makes it incredibly easy to follow. One of the biggest problems with other dietary programs is that they are overly complicated. This product features a variety of useful resources and materials to help you transition into this diet and stick with it. What's included in the 28-day Keto Challenge? You will get 7 different main guidebooks with the 28-day Keto Challenge books to help you get started. Each of these books covers a different aspect of the diet. Keto Diet: The Basics. The first thing that you should read when going through this dietary program is the Keto Diet Basics Guidebook. This book tells you exactly how the program works, what to expect, and the various benefits you will enjoy. There are also 13 tips for increasing your chances of success. Eating on Keto. The Eating on Keto book that you will get features 10 different recipes for delicious breakfast meals, 12 lunch recipes and 14 dinner recipes. There are also a number of snack ideas that will help you keep your cravings in check. It comes with a calendar that will show you what you should eat for each meal every single day for the first 28 days. This calendar makes sticking to the keto diet easier than ever before. Ketosis Tips. The Ketosis Tips book will give you a complete guide on how to make the transition to a keto diet. These tips will make this transition much smoother so you don't have to overcome so many obstacles. It will also tell you how to transition out of this diet, which can be tricky if you don't have the right information. Guide to Macronutrients. The book entitled Knowing Your Macros will give you helpful information on the amount of protein, fat and carbs your body needs on a daily basis. You will also learn how to calculate all of the important macronutrients properly. Beat the Keto Flu. The keto flu is a term that is used to describe negative symptoms a person might experience when making the transition into a ketogenic diet. This book will detail these symptoms so you can recognize them if they appear. You will also learn how to eliminate the symptoms as quickly and effectively as possible. This will make the entire experience much more manageable. Fasting Tips. The intermittent fasting book that comes with this set can really help you with learning how to diet properly. It is a fact that intermittent fasting can be good for your body and very helpful with weight loss. There are 5 unique styles of fasting that you will learn about when you read this book. Keto and Friends, Dealing with Social Pressures. The Keto and Friends book will help you deal with any negative feedback you might get from friends and family when starting your new diet. This is something that trips up a lot of people and keeps them from following through with the diet. You will also get a useful chart that outlines the best ways to combat social pressures like drinking alcohol and eating off-limits foods. Benefits of the 28-day Keto Challenge. There are many benefits that you can expect to get from following the 28-day Keto Challenge, including weight loss. If you struggle with losing excess fat, this 28-day diet program can be very beneficial. It will help you learn how to eat healthier so that you can finally start losing weight efficiently. Healthier body. The keto diet that is detailed in this comprehensive guide will help you become much healthier. Most of us don't even realize how unhealthy we are until we start eating better. Easy to follow. Unlike so many other dietary programs, this one is very easy to follow with simple instructions. It takes you through every step of the process to help you make the transition as smoothly as possible. Customer reviews. When you spend some time looking at what customers have to say about the 28-day keto diet, you will find that it's generally very positive. Many people have lost a ton of weight following this program for just 1 month. Many reviewers talk about how easy and simple 28-day keto challenge is compared to many others they have tried in the past. It is a dietary solution that seems to work for a vast majority of people who try it. Conclusion: the 28-day keto challenge is a great option for anyone who is interested in becoming healthier and fitter. Whether you want to lose weight or just improve your eating habits, this program has a lot to offer. You will get 7 main guidebooks as well as a few bonus materials to make this transition easy and even enjoyable. These days a lot of people are adopting ketogenic diet because of how beneficial they are as a whole. Subscribe for more videos.